This is Anthem Power, Anthem One's power supply. Anthem Power operates off of both 110 and 220, and it outputs 48 volts and 4.5 amps. When using Anthem Power, you will insert its AC cord into this port. You can turn the system on and off by toggling the dimming knob on the back. And you can dim the system from 0 to 100 by rotating the knob from left to right. Anthem Power is flicker-free at any frame rate and any dimming level because of its dual LED driver. This dual system ensures that Anthem One's CRI and color temperature are completely consistent regardless of the setting that you choose. For more information, visit our website to learn more about Anthem Power.
Anthem One. We didn't invent the light. We perfected it.